Hey, my name is Caroline. I'm here with Federal Brace, and welcome to another Federal Brace Minute. This is the low-profile floating shelf bracket. This is a low-profile floating shelf bracket. This is a low-profile floating shelf bracket. This is a low-profile floating shelf bracket. And this is a bottle of wine. And this is a broom. Stop messing around. This is a low-profile floating shelf bracket. This one's brand new and designed to hold 36-inch shelves. The low-profile floating shelf bracket includes a cross-rib member that's used to tie the support arms of this exterior bracket together, providing increased strength and resistance to deflection. Every Federal Brace bracket is 100% made in the USA. For brackets like these and plenty more, go to federalbrace.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.